This is the new way to get your tax ID, otherwise called TIN number, in 2026 and beyond. All right. So previously you could do it at jtb.gov.ng. That's the Joint Tax Board website. So the past few years that has been possible, and as an individual or as a business or a non-for-profit. All right. But with the new tax laws reform and all that, a lot of things have changed. That even if you go to that site, they will redirect you to the new one where you can do your TIN retrieval, especially now that it's been linked to your NIN number. All right. So the new place is now tax ID, which is taxid.nrs, which is Nigeria Revenue Service.gov.ng. All right. So it's now what? The taxid.nrs.gov.ng. That is where you go to get the your new tax ID. All right. The one that is now linked with your NIN. When you go to the website, you will see the website is just like this. All right, and you just go to the column where that suits what you're looking for. If it's individual, you click the individual column there, and you put your NIN number. It will show you your TIN number, your new TIN that is linked to your NIN. If it's a corporate organization, a business, you just click the corporate or the business angle. You put your RC number or your BN number. You don't have to add the RC. You just put only the digits. You don't have to add the BN. If it's a business name, you just put only the digits, and it will show you what your tax ID is. Very importantly, if you do this and it doesn't work, all right, sometimes it could be network jamming and all that. Wait a while, maybe do it in the night when the traffic is low. You know it is in Nigeria sometimes, and see whether it works. So if you do it 1, 2, 3 days, it doesn't work, you have to contact the closest tax office close to you. All right, you can go to their website, get your customer care to call them, or find the closest tax office number to you. If you don't have anyone close to you, just go to your secretariat in your state, or if you're in the FCT, go to the any FRS office close to you, or FCT IRS close to you to sort it out. Sometimes it could be a mismatch with what is in your NIN, like NIMSI. You may need to do some reconciliation, and they will tell you how to go about. So you fix this. You need to do this before tax filing season comes in early 2027. If not, a lot of things can happen. Your account can be blocked and all that, which will be start sometime this year and all that. All right. So do know that the new place to do your tax verification is now the new website, not the old one anymore. Of course, the old one is still working, but when you click the area that says you want to do your thing or register and all that, they will redirect you. They will redirect you to the new one. All right. Hope this will help propagate it, let other people know about this. So sometimes they don't understand why GTB is not going or why they're asking them to go to this new place. This is the reason why. All right. So watch other videos I've done. I've talked a lot about these new tax systems and also how to protect yourself from financial scams and frauds, all that, because in this new dispensation, a lot of new scams and new investment schemes will come up to distract you, take your money and all that. Don't fall for them. All right. Get the right knowledge at the right time so that you'll be a victim for any of this. And even compliance with the new government policies and all that, it's good you get the right knowledge at the right time so that you be prepared ahead of time, so that before the rush comes in, you've already done your thing, and that time you could be guiding others or helping others. Or if you have issues, you sort them out early before that time and be ahead of the curve. Hope this was of value to you. Like, subscribe, share in your WhatsApp groups, in your communities and all that, so that people can keep learning. All right, see you in my next video.